Right, welcome everybody to this meeting of the Voluntary Early Retirement Redundancy Panel of 16th July 2025. First of all, do we have any declarations of interest, please? No, none noted. Okay, that's great. And moving on to the minutes of the meeting of the last meeting of this panel.
I'm happy to move those minutes, Chair, from the 17th of June, subject to any questions.
Thank you very much, Maureen. Any questions, anybody? I was also happy with the minutes. Excellent. Thank you very much. Oops, just a sec. Okay, on to the consideration of the resolution, please, for item 3.
I'm happy to move that we pass the necessary resolution for the remainder of the meeting, Chair.